In 2018, ICOs were at the boom, but then suddenly some big ICOs failed badly. And this affected the entire market and traders didn't rely and trust on ICOs anymore. But again, in starting of 2021, some ICOs give the traders up to 50 to 80x from their initial price. And in this video, I will share an ERC20 token which will surely give you up to 100x in near future. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
Emerald Rocket's EROC token is to facilitate the operation and expansion of the education marketplace tuitionbrokers.com. At this time, the tuitionbrokers.com is offering more than 1,000 courses from the top universities on the planet. Tuitionbrokers.com is like the Expedia.com of education. It helps the students and also some colleges to increase their total revenue. ICO proceeds will be used to grow the tuitionbrokers.com into the largest education marketplace on the planet. I will also share that how you can purchase the token. Here you can see the main website of the Emerald Rockets. So it's the best time for you to purchase the ICO, because at this time if you are going to hold some EROC tokens, definitely in future when number of new universities, number of students are going to use the EROC token, definitely the price will increase because the supply is not as much. This token is right now available on the Etherscan. I will share the link of the contract address in the description. Secondly, I will also share the link of the direct website so you can check and read all the things. But before that, I will tell you that what is the main mission of the Emerald Rockets team. Here you can see the white paper. Now I will share main things about the mission. The main mission of the Emerald Rockets EROC team is to be traded on major cryptocurrencies exchanges and decentralized exchanges majorly, to become one of the biggest cryptocurrencies, to provide the employees, consultants, partners with a vested interest in the success. Now how you can purchase this token, EROC token, which is available on the SushiSwap right now. So you just have to copy the address which I will share in the description. Then you have to move directly towards the Sushi. Just click on the enter app and then you have to enter here, especially you have to enter the contract address, and after basically entering the contract address you just have to add it. And after adding it, for example, if you are going to buy it with 1 Ethereum, you will get up to 73,412 tokens, and it's one of the best time for you to take the entry in this token, because very soon, as per my own idea, this coin will reach up to $1 in hardly 2 to 3 months. What do you think? Do let me know in the comment section, because already number of big universities are on the main banner of the EROC. Here comes the main thing, that is about the tokenomics. Initial coin offering. Here you can see marketing, mergers and operations. So the allocation is fantastic and the team don't have as much tokens, so you understand what I want to tell you. So something more about the Emerald Rockets may be paid to employees, consultants, partners and companies that contribute the development, maintenance and promotion of the tuitionbrokers.com and Emerald Rockets also. Educational groups that submit their courses to the tuitionbrokers.com database, brand ambassadors and advertising companies, high school guidance counselors, cover journal business expenses of tuitionbrokers.com and Emerald Rockets reward tuitions and students for booking the courses through the website tuitionbrokers.com, facilitate the mergers and strategic partnerships. So overall, the idea behind this token is awesome, and if it really works, it will definitely give you some good profit. What you think? Do let me know in the comment section. And at the end, I'm not a financial advisor. It's my duty to tell you and share all the best news about some new projects. So I'm sharing it. You must have to study it before buying anything. Thanks a lot.